everyone, Amylove here, just popping on to show you what I have been working on lately. I have been creating these kind of like quilted snippet tags, which I am just thoroughly enjoying. But the inspiration came from these fabric pleats. The lady's name, her channel is, I think it's G Kerr. I'm not sure if that's how she pronounces it, but I will put the link to the tutorial below. But I saw her creating and using these little fabric pleat strips, and I was like, oh yes! So I started off right away to make some. And then after I spent the day making them, she uploaded a tutorial on how to make them way more easily than I spent the whole day making them. So I'm going to put a link to the easy tutorial, and I plan on making more of these now that she's simplified the process for me. But I just tore strips of fabric basically, and then I avocado dyed the fabrics, but I cheated there also because here is avocado dyed water. I've just been spraying it on everything, so that happened. But I mean, they're so cute. Look at, they're just so cute. So I made those, and then I also have been making little tiny rolled roses, just little bitsy things. It was quite therapeutic. I was binge watching something on Netflix, and I just sat here and rolled little tiny fabric roses out of strips of fabric. I enjoyed it. I'm probably going to make a lot more, I'm not going to lie. So then I put all those things together and made really cute tags. So first I just, put two pretty pieces of fabric together with some felt in the middle and zigzag stitched around the edges, and then just sewed across the top to make it like a quilted effect. This is just some fabric that I stamped on with Stays-On ink, and then I avocado sprayed it. And then I don't know if you can see the shimmer. Like, no, you cannot see that, but trust me, there is shimmer on the stamped image. Wow, it's really not going to come through. Okay, whatever. I don't remember, some kind of shimmer mist. So in person, it has just a little bit of shimmer. And then I added some snippets of fabric, some pleated fabric strips, and I also made some strips, pleated strips out of like this netting. Yeah, so I've got quite a nest over here. So there's a pleated netting right here, and then the fabric on top, and then the rolled roses, and there's of course cheesecloth, and then the image. And when I cut it out, I tried to fray the edges of it with my fingernails. And then I just added a little fabric kind of bow. It's really just a knot in the middle, but that was the best tiny bow I could do. So, I mean, I just think they're so cute. They really, really just turned out adorable. And so I do show you a process of how I created them. I don't show you how I created the pleats because honestly, it was painstaking, but there is, like I said, a link to a much easier tutorial for that. But then I just show you really how I just assembled, I guess, the tags, if you want to watch that. But I'd love to know what you think. Please leave me a comment below. Give me a thumbs up, and I will see you all on the next one.